I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this playlist is on knives. And many of you know that one of my hobbies is collecting knives and just playing with them and going on. Now, I don't claim to be the biggest expert on knives or even close to it. I just like them, got a thing for them, and it's one of my hobbies. And if you want to know the experts, one of the people I watch is a guy named Kyle Noseworthy. Another one is Cutlery. Cutlery Lover. That's what it is. Another one is Outdoors 55. All three of those channels are very unique, great channels, and I should have told you those at the end of my video so you'd stay and watch mine and then click over, but all three of those are worthy guys, very knowledgeable. Anyway, this is a Walmart Ozark Trails Christmas 2025 edition, and this is a Glacier. This year they're naming them, and this was named the Glacier 7.5 inch folding knife. Now this is very, very similar to the one they had out last year with the axis lock. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. See how easy it is to get out of this pack. A lot easier than a blister pack. So easy enough. So like I said, this is called the Glacier. And let's see here. Reversible pocket clip. And it does not state what kind of steel is on here. But for just a few bucks, I don't know what it's going to cost in your store, but in my store is under 10 bucks. Nice, lightweight. I'm not real thrilled about where the pocket clip rests, but it's okay. Thumb studs on each side. This one does have liners, but they're not directly, they're inside the scale itself. So I don't remember if last year's had any kind of liner in it or not. Got a fly crawling on this mat right here. Let's get rid of him. Anyway, the pocket clip is reversible. It means you can take it off this side and put it on this side. And that's what those two extra holes are for, right there. Axis lock. Some people call them axis lock. I do. Just because the people know more than I do, that's what they call it. So, there we go. Opens very easy. No issues with that at all. Closes by itself. No issues. Very, very lightweight. I wish I had a posted scale out here. I could put it on a scale and tell you what it is. It's kind of an off-white, not really a total white. There we go. There's the catalog right here. You can see the difference in the colors. Very thin. Got some gimping on the back. Some people call it jimping. Gimping. We all know what we're talking about. One of them was wrong, one of them was right, but we all know what it's referred to. I like the blade style on this one. Not too fond of the Tonto style, which we'll go over one of those in a different video, but make a nice little Christmas gift here for people in your office, people you don't see very often, or just keep one in your car, keep one in your toolbox. got this U-line catalog here. Let's check it out. Gotta hold it just right. Yeah, it cuts it. Not great. Let me pull this page out of this catalog right here. Might be easier for me to demonstrate. Push that aside. There we go. Feels like there might be a little chip in the blade, which I believe there is. A very small chip. But it is a very inexpensive knife from Walmart. Can't expect it to be a Benchmade. It is what it is. So just got to remember that as we're using it. Yeah, it is cutting, but it's just not quite getting that like it should. Maybe I'll just throw that. Oh, I can feel the little chip in there. Very little chip in there. Maybe I'll throw this on the Wicked Edge sharpener and see what it takes to sharpen that up. Not a bad knife. Not really a bad knife at all. Get that out of the way. Very lightweight. Now, if you have a friend, female friend, that likes to carry a knife, this is light enough to be clipped on the bra strap where it won't weigh it down any. Not bad at all. I like it. Oh, it's got a place right here in the back to put your lanyards, if that's what you're into. Anyway, I believe it was $8 at Walmart. Don't quote me on that. But it does make a decent knife. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.